Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rashmi Shetty. I know lockdown has finally relaxed. अब हम जब चाहे घर से बाहर निकल सकते हैं, but with the necessary precautions like using a face mask, using hand sanitizers regularly. I'm kind of getting a very positive feeling since now we no longer feel caged inside and we can go for our early morning jogging and everything. So let's step out of our houses only when it is necessary and take very good care of ourselves. और आज से हम इस चैनल पे हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे, दो मेरे लिए हिंदी में बात करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज टू कंटिन्यू दैट कॉन्वर्जेशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कैमरा. I started my YouTube channel exactly 5 months ago, that is on Jan 1st 2020 when my first video went live on YouTube. So thank you so much guys for all your support, and today I stand at 188 subscribers and we are slowly going to be a family of 200 subscribers, and I thank all of you from the bottom of my heart because this is absolutely not possible without your support. So thank you. और अगर आपने अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to link the subscribe button here, so make sure you subscribe to my channel guys. So basically जब मैंने ये channel start किया था guys, channel was going to focus on travel vlogs and I did create travel vlogs on my channel. So make sure if you have not watched these vlogs, head to my channel and enjoy these vlogs. जैसे कि आपको पता है अब हम ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकते and I think upcoming few months it's not a very good time to travel, so I'm going to explore some new content on this channel. And thank you for giving so much support for the last vlog which was a quarantine vlog, and that was something for the first time I tried shooting at home. Everything was shot at home and my terrace. We have got about 400 views on that video and I genuinely feel so happy about it. Stay updated on my further content. Please subscribe to my channel guys. Let's make it 200 as soon as possible. Okay, so moving on to today's video. तो जो वीडियो है वो भी थोड़ा सा अलग है. We are going to see how can we shoot some amazing pictures at home just using your phone. तो आजकल सबके पास एक बेसिक फ़ोन होता है जिसमें एक बहुत ही अच्छा कैमरा होता है. I'm using the OnePlus 7T which comes with a very good camera quality. I really like the camera quality on OnePlus T. So let me show you what kind of pictures am I talking about. This. So I hope you liked it, and if you want to see how did I click these pictures, I am going to take you. मैं आपको इसका पूरा process बताने वाली हूँ. Right from shooting, to choose the background, which backgrounds look good, how do you dress yourself, and also a little bit of grooming that is required so that आप pictures हैं उनको share कर सको. And also we are going to talk about editing, and I am going to tell you कि मैं कौन से editing apps use करती हूँ to edit these pictures. If you want a good picture, 70% of it is based on the composition according to me, and 30% of it depends on your editing skills. And trust me guys, to click these pictures you don't need any special equipments. I am just going to use my phone and we are not going to use any tripod, though I have a good tripod with me, but we are not going to use the tripod because I know most of you do not have tripod. तो हम सिर्फ इस फ़ोन से शूट करने वाले. And I'm going to show you कि आपके घर में ऐसे काफ़ी सारे बैकग्राउंड्स होंगे या देयर वुड बी अ स्पेसिफिक एरिया जहाँ से बहुत अच्छा सनलाइट आता है. दिस वीडियो विच आई एम शूटिंग राइट नाउ, इस वीडियो के लिए मैं कोई भी स्पेशल लाइट्स यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग द लाइट विच इज कमिंग राइट आउट फ्रॉम देयर वेयर आई हैव अ विंडो. लेट मी शो यू गाइस. So as you can see, here is my window and there is good amount of light coming on this table. Leverage the natural source of light. So you don't need any special lighting situation. You can leverage the natural light. You just have to do a little bit of grooming. Like you can see, I'm wearing very basic makeup like a eyeliner and a lip color, and that's it. And a good moisturizer on your face because you don't want your skin to look dry. So that is going to be the first step. और इसके अलावा as you can see, I'm wearing something good. My favorite jacket पहन सकते हो, and I'm not wearing any special accessories, but if you want, you can wear some good earrings or something. So as you can see guys, I have moved the sofa to this side and we are going to use this wall because I like the color of this wall. So let's shoot. We start shooting, guys. I'm going to show you what am I exactly using to click my pictures. I'm using the small Katora and I have kept my phone here. So go to your camera first and set your camera on portrait mode and use the selfie camera. And as you can see, I have kept my camera on a chair and I really like the final way, right? Okay. So you would want to put some good music so that you are in the mood to pose. I literally don't know how to pose for pictures, and I myself tried this for the first time and I kind of got really good pictures, hence I decided to make this video in the first place. So let's play some good music on your phone.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all
So this is how the picture looks like, and I'm going to edit this picture and show you guys on the screen how it looks like. So it looks somewhat like this after you edit it properly. Move on to the next picture. For the next picture, I'm going to use a prop. So guys, I'm going to use this guitar as a prop and I'm going to click few pictures with the guitar wearing this yellow top. So there is a lot of color here. As you can see, I'm wearing a yellow color and the guitar has its own authentic color, and the wall plays a very important role, your background. So let's use all these things together and click a nice picture. Let me show you the picture, guys. So this is the picture that we've got. The next video, guys, I'm going to go on top of my terrace. Look here, who's here? Around 11 right now, but this is not a very good time to click pictures. I would suggest you click it around 3 to 4 when the lighting is not so harsh on you. So this is how I clicked a few of the shots. They look like this.
For the next shot, I am using my washing machine. You just have to place the camera inside the washing machine and pose, and this is how the final image looks like. For the next picture, I have used my mobile flashlight and draped a white dupatta on top of me. For the next picture, pick a few colorful fruits from your fruit basket and pose in front of your refrigerator.
Now we are done shooting these pictures. Now it's time to edit these pictures. For editing, I use 3 free editing apps. One is the Lightroom app, second is Picsart, and third is Snapseed. All these apps are free of cost and you can download it from your respective play stores. Using my phone OnePlus 7T to edit and shoot my pictures. Let me take you through the editing process. First, you're going to download the Lightroom app. So I already have the Lightroom app installed here and I'm going to import. So the first step is to import your picture. So this is the picture that we are going to edit. Now we are going to go to the light and decrease the exposure a little. So once you start playing around with the light and the color, the contrast, exposure, so they have a list of profiles here which they have given down, so you can just scroll through it So I'm going to use the artistic one for this one, and instantly you can see the difference with just one click, and your picture looks far better. And this is how I edit my pictures. So there are a lot of things. You can also remove certain things from your background, like if you have a switchboard or if you have a wire hanging around. जैसे ही आप ज़्यादा एडिटिंग करते रहोगे वैसे ही आपकी ये स्किल्स इम्प्रूव होंगे. तो एडिटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एडिटिंग गेट्स बेटर विद प्रैक्टिस. तो आप जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना आपके एडिटिंग स्किल्स इम्प्रूव होते जाएंगे. एंड इट्स नॉट रॉकेट साइंस गाइस. आपको बस थोड़ा सा टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना है टू लर्न दीज skills. और अगर आपके भी घर में विंडो है, या इफ़ यू हैव अ वेरी क्यूट balcony, और यू कैन यूज़ props like your washing machine, refrigerator, a guitar, books. I've also got a shot with a book, तो मैंने उसका वो शूट नहीं किया, but I'm going to show you this is how the picture looks like.
For this picture I'm using the PicArt mobile app, and here we are going to play with a lot of colors. The original pic is in white and black format, and I'm going to add few layers of colors on this. So this is a very good trick to choose your own color, and I absolutely love the final result of this picture. Do try this trick out guys, and let me know in the comments below.
Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And we're going to be a family of 200 people. I request you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will come back soon with another amazing video for you guys. Take care, bye.